Hey guys, here we are, Cavallino 2024. Truly amazing. First of all, it's been a long day. As you can see, we've probably got 3 or 4 minutes left of just a little bit of daylight. We're gonna try to get a good quick update in, tell you why we're here, what we're doing, what the day's been like. So first of all, right behind me is one of 75 512Ms. As you may know, there's 3 different versions of the Testarossa during the run. This is the final version. The M stands for Modificato. And this is actually number 66. So one of 75, this is number 66. This car's got a great story behind it. It actually won here, Cavallino Platinum, back in 2007. Before my ownership, this is actually the very first time I've ever entered a car into a show like this. So super excited and just equally as nervous. But the hope is that we can bring this car back to glory and hopefully she can win Platinum again. So the show is tomorrow. That'll be Saturday. There's some incredible cars around us. Everything here seems to be an extremely rare version of this, an extremely rare version of that, all obviously in the absolute tip-top, most amazing shape and condition possible. Just flat out unicorns. There's nothing but unicorns surrounded here. So we're incredibly humbled and grateful and excited to be here and to be a part of this. Just today, we brought our F40 here. We used it for the Tour d'Elegance drive, where we start down in Boca Raton, make our drive, we stop at the Four Seasons, have some cocktails. It was incredible. We pull in, all these Ferraris take over the entire parking lot, go in, everything is done into an incredible level of just class and quality. The people we've met so far have been nothing but amazing. Truly everyone here obviously shares the same passion, very passionate, not only about cars, but more so about Ferrari specifically. And we're no exception to that as well. As you well know, we love Ferraris, but continue to, for some reason, buy and collect them with a sincere passion. So again, 512M, one of 75 ever made, number 66. This car's gone through an enormous amount of work over the last, 6, 7, 8 weeks. Car was already a very good car. My wife and I love it and drive it. Car runs great, drives great. Obviously won Platinum before, so it was in good condition. But that was 17 years ago. So clearly it needed a little bit of love, a little bit of polish, a little bit of shine, a lot of elbow grease. A lot of hours went into this, even all the way down to polishing the tools in the toolkit. And the judges are going to be judging us on that. So we're going to make certain that all those tools are polished, the bulbs are actually cleaned and in very good shape, and that there's absolutely nothing missing. They will literally ding your score if you're missing even the smallest of a replacement bulb or a fuse. Even if a fuse is missing out of that toolbox. So every little piece of this car has been meticulously gone over. It's exciting, nerve-wracking as well. I hope that we do well. I hope we do the car justice, and I really hope that at the end of the day, us and the people that we've been working with to bring this car to this level, I hope that we're rewarded for all the effort, the man hours, love, and passion's gone into it. It's a great car. I hope we did it justice. We'll see how that goes, and then we're gonna be bringing you guys a lot more content about that tomorrow. We'll be filming as much as we can. One key point that we can't do is said film all the content you want, show everything you want. It's all fair season and open game, but do not be filming when the judges are around. We'll be filming as much as we can, but we obviously will not be filming when those judges are around tomorrow. So tonight they're doing an evening under the stars. My wife's over there waiting. She's being gracious enough to let me come over here, talk a little about the car and share this experience with you guys. And but I don't want to wear out our patience and get back as soon as possible. We'll update you guys tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Okay guys, here we are. Basically, I'm gonna call it the halfway point, or you could also call it the waiting game. So we got here this morning bright and early, around 7:15, started moving the cars onto the lawn. There was a long process, had it all staging, but gotta be honest, the team here did a great job. It's a well-organized machine. Everybody's definitely got a lot more experience than me. Everyone I've met here so far has been doing this for years. So far I seem to be the only newbie here. Absolutely had my mind blown so far. So we get the car here, we got it staged. Of course it had to rain this morning. So we got the car, we had a little plastic cover on it last night. So we had to wipe the entire car back down again, go through everything one more time. And then we sat around and waited, and we waited, and we waited. Finally, the judges came around. It's incredible how just in the moment, all of a sudden nervous I got. but they went through every aspect of the car, through every nook and cranny, checked to make sure every light and blinker and turn signal worked, the mirrors worked, pulled out my tool set to check to make sure every piece of, every tool that comes with the tool set was there, every bulb, every fuse, the whole bit. I think we did pretty well. I think we did really well. I know they nicked us on one thing. As luck would have it, the darn passenger side mirror, the motor on it quit working. I couldn't get that to work in the moment when the judges were judging it. Everything else worked out great. They were actually really, really cool guys. They were super cool. Their knowledge of the cars were unbelievable. I thought I knew cars. I get to talking to these guys. It was unbelievable to see their level of knowledge. So at that point, we went walking around. The cars here are incredible. There's tons of 275 GTBs out here, 330 GTCs as well, F50s, of course, 288 GTOs, Enzos, LaFerraris, and everything in between. That's all one of the coolest specs on a TDF. Fun fact, there is a 250 GTO on the lawn that I confirmed recently sold for $80 million. Incredible. The car in person is indescribably beautiful. I would call it absolutely perfect in every way. But at this point, we wait for the judges to do whatever it is that they do behind the scenes, and we'll be reporting back here, I think about another couple of hours, and we'll know how we did just by way of walking out here. I think at 3 o'clock is when they do that, and we'll either have a ribbon on the windshield of the car or we don't. We're hoping that we bring back that platinum, and if so, they're actually going to arrange all the Platinum Award winners, and we'll drive down the red carpet with a parade. And we're really, really hoping that we're going to make the cut, we make platinum, and then we make it to that parade. So we're super, super excited, and we'll update you guys as soon as we know. Talk soon.